Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my October 2022 Boxycharm base box unboxing. I am so excited that we are starting off another month of subscription boxes, and thankfully this one came kind of early in the month. I literally waited until the last day of the month in September to receive one of my boxes. So it seems like everything actually is kind of already on its way, which I'm so excited about. So if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I unbox all of the Boxycharm and the Ipsy monthly subscription boxes that I pay for myself. I don't get any of it in PR. I also just signed up for a few others. Kinder Beauty Box, Chic Beauty Box. I might sign up for Allure Beauty Box as well. So I just love to get your recommendations of different subscription boxes that you would be interested in me reviewing or unboxing here on my channel, because I also have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every single day. So I do full dedicated review tutorial videos on all of the makeup products that I get in these subscriptions. So that's why I don't actually try them out in this video here. I'm just going to be unboxing it, and I also like to add up my total retail value. So without further ado, let's see what's in this box. So we've got product information here. So I'm going to try and not look at that because I like to just kind of be surprised as I unbox. So, let's start with this product here. And I know just from the packaging, I recognize this brand, Lucette Beauty, which I've tried out a few products from now through probably both Ipsy and Boxycharm, and overall I've been pretty impressed. I've tried some really great eyeliners from them, and considering I do not like to get eyeliners in my beauty subscriptions, that's saying a lot that I'm a big fan of the eyeliners. But what I have here is the Lucette Glow highlighter palette. Ooh, I love a highlighter palette. Let's take a look at what this looks like. The pretty pop of yellow inside. 4 big pans in here, and immediately I'm like, wait, this looks so familiar. And that's because I've actually tried out a highlighter duo palette from Lucette that I got in Ipsy, and I was not too crazy about that, but that's not going to stop me from trying this out, giving it a fair chance. I like the different shades in here, and maybe if they're not great for highlighters, maybe they'll be good for eyeshadows or blush toppers. They look very shimmery, sparkly, and like I said, I'm not going to be swatching just yet. We're going to save that for the dedicated video. But if there's any products that I get that you are extra interested in me reviewing first, just let me know in the comments down below so I can prioritize those products. The Lucette Beauty Lucette Highlighter Palette retails for $26. Okay, moving on to, the Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer. The packaging on this is beautiful. I think this is from the brand Dew of the Gods. Yes. I don't know if I've tried out any products from this brand, but I've heard of them. I'm so excited about this because I love primer, and the fact that this is called Dewy Collagen Primer has me very intrigued. Even though this is sealed in plastic, I want to get into it just to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging. Oh, and it's sealed here. Wow, this came very securely packaged, which I appreciate. So the Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Glow Collagen Primer retails for $32. Wow, that is pricey. Next, reaching into my box here, I've got, I don't recognize this brand either. I love getting to try out brands that are new to me through these beauty subscriptions. This, I believe the brand is called Toy Factory. Yeah, Toy Factory Superset Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. And I really like the packaging on this as well. This is also sealed in plastic. And so I'm gonna get a peek at what this looks like. Ooh, this looks nice, and it's a big setting spray. Looks like a promising spray bottle too that can make such a difference. I actually have not gotten a setting spray in my beauty subscription boxes in a while, so I'm very excited to try this out. I love trying out setting sprays. I use one every single day, and the hyaluronic acid setting spray of this sounds great because my skin's been getting so dry. So the Toy Factory Superset Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray retails for $24. Next, I've got, another palette. Ooh, and this is from Ciate London, probably the brand that I get most often in both of my beauty subscriptions, but that's okay with me. This is the Spice Palette 9-piece eyeshadow palette. I love getting eyeshadow palettes in my beauty subscriptions. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging. This is like the box of beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh. Look at this in the huge mirror. This is seriously like if I were to choose my palette. Wait, did I choose my palette? Like this is what I would have chosen. I don't remember at all making my Boxycharm choices. So maybe I did choose this for myself. I'm not sure, but I'm getting like a little fruity smell coming off of this. I mean, it's called the spiced palette. Maybe it also has like a slightly spiced smell to it. I don't know, but I am so excited about this. I love when a palette has like pinky tones in it, shimmers, but also neutrals. This looks so promising. The Ciate London Spice Palette retails for $39. And then my fifth and final product in here. Oh, I don't know this brand. Somi Institute Transport. What could this be? 5-step regimen. Repair dark spots that appear as premature aging. Oh, treatment pads. This is a little different. Wow, yeah, there's a whole step process, and I got the purple dot transport pads, exfoliates and hydrates without irritation. Okay. This is like an in-between step after washing your face, and then like what's before going in with a serum, I believe. Okay, so sounds like it kind of can take the spot of my toner in my current skincare routine. So I definitely prefer to get makeup products, but if I'm gonna get a skincare product, at least it's like a little different. It's not just a serum or it's not just a cleanser. I don't have any sort of treatment pads like this, so I'm actually kind of intrigued by these. So let's see about the Somi Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. Wow, these retail for $65, and this is part of a, how many step? 5-step regimen? Oh, but it looks like there's a lot more than 5 products. But wow, that sounds like an expensive skincare regimen if you're going to be spending $65 just on one step. But hey, I got them for a great deal in this Boxycharm box. Wow, okay. Overall, this is a great box. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to do a quick recap and I'll let you know my total retail value. So I got the Ciate London Spice Eyeshadow Palette, the Tahitian Breakfast Primer, the Toy Factory Setting Spray, the Trace Luce Highlight Palette, and the Somi Institute Treatment Pads. And all of those products added up together brings me to a total retail value of $186. So that is great value, great products. I love that I'm getting to try out some brands that I haven't tried before, but then also trying out some brands that I know that I like. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them. But I'm very happy. This was a great start to my October subscription boxes. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.